Is the next Battlefield a true return to its roots? We dive into the hands-on preview and explore what players can expect. DICE aims to win back fans by drawing inspiration from Battlefield 3 and 4, incorporating player feedback into development. The game blends classic elements with new features, offering both closed weapon and open weapon modes to cater to different play styles. Battlefield 6 focuses on making every skirmish exciting, whether it's a long-range sniper duel or a close-quarters gunfight. With diverse maps, classes, and customization options, players might feel overwhelmed by the complexity, but the freedom to choose is empowering. Environmental destruction is a key feature, with destructible walls and sniper nests adding a layer of tactical depth to firefights. DICE aims to recapture the controlled chaos that sets Battlefield apart from other military shooters like Call of Duty. Battlefield 6 launches on October 10th, with open beta weekends in August. Get ready to experience the return to big battle warfare.